Anyone who secures loads on a daily basis faces a number of challenges. Long loading and unloading processes involving the use of lashing straps or anti-slip mats consume time, are risky, and require several employees. Slipping loads often cause damage to goods and vehicles. The solution to all these problems is our load securing coating. It provides all loading areas with non-slip floors with the right grip level. The liquid coating system with our special scattering is solvent-free, highly abrasion resistant, and extremely resilient. The liquid coating system is ready for use in just 3 simple steps. First, clean the surface to be coated with a broom or industrial vacuum cleaner. Remove surface impurities such as grease and oil with a solvent-based cleaning agent. Light soiling such as abrasion dust can then be removed with a floor mop and clear water. Make sure that the surface is absolutely dry before starting the application process. Check whether the loading surface is damaged and needs to be repaired. Now mask all surfaces and moving parts that are not to be coated. Finally, measure and mark out the surface to be coated. One 4.5 kilogram container is sufficient to coat an area of 9 square meters. Prepare the work area by covering it sufficiently with plastic film or cardboard. Now carefully mix the 2 components, A and B of the coating. Add component B to the container of component A, and then empty the B container completely with a wooden stirrer. Stir both components thoroughly by slowly rotating the stirrer. To avoid mixing errors, transfer the pre-stirred material into a separate bucket and thoroughly stir again. Please observe the specified processing time of 30 minutes, the processing temperature, and the hardening time. Now apply the liquid coating evenly with a nylon roller in a crosswise direction. After 2 to 3 square meters, the special anti-slip scattering must be spread immediately into the still wet coating. Apply until the scattering is evenly spread across the entire surface grain on grain. Use one 25 kilogram bag of special scattering per measured 9 square meters. The special scattering must be visible and never sink into the coating. If there are gaps in the special scattering, it must be respread immediately. Please note that while the liquid coating is still drying, it can only be walked on with appropriate spiked shoes, even when spread. Remove the adhesive tape from the sides and screws while the coating is still liquid. After approximately 2 hours, the surface will be hardened. Now sweep the coated surface so that it is free of all loose scattering particles. To prepare for the last step, mask all fixtures with adhesive tape. Now the 2 components, A and B of the final coating, must also be carefully mixed together. To do this, transfer the contents of the container with component B into the component A container. Empty the B container completely using a wooden stirrer. Mix the 2 components thoroughly by stirring them continuously. Once again, here it is advisable to transfer the mixed material into a separate bucket and mix it again thoroughly. Apply the liquid coating to the hardened and scattered surface with a nylon roller in a crosswise direction. And then remove the adhesive tape from the sides and screws. The surface, once sealed, must be left to harden for approximately 12 hours. After 24 hours, the coating is fully loadable and the loading area is ready for use again. For quick and careful application, it is recommended that the coating work be carried out by 2 employees. Coverings are subject to mechanical stress and therefore require regular inspection, which must take place at least once a year. These inspections should be carried out by a load securing expert. Depending on the degree of wear determined by the expert, the surfaces may need to be reworked. During transport, storage, and processing, it is essential that you observe the safety instructions on the container label, the safety data sheet, and our technical data sheet.